Today we talked about water uptake. Now we've come to the end of our lesson, and just as we always do, we need to summarize what we studied for today. Now, roots are responsible for the absorption of water. The root tip has a layer of protective cells called the root cap. They are there to protect the growing root. Now, on the roots are structures called root hairs, and then they help give the root a large surface area for absorption of water and dissolved minerals. Now, water enters the root by osmosis. Now, osmosis is the transfer of water molecules from a region of high concentration to a region of low concentration along a concentration gradient. So, before water enters the root hairs, the water in the roots will be higher. The concentration of water in the roots in the soil will be higher than the concentration of water in the roots. Therefore, the water molecules will move into the root hairs. Now, once they get in there, the root hair that the water molecules got into will also have higher water concentration than the next. So it will also lose water to it. And then it keeps moving until finally it enters the xylem through the pits. Once the water gets into the xylem, water is lost by the leaves, and this reduces the pressure at the top. And therefore, once the pressure at the top is reduced, the pressure at the bottom is higher than that at the top, so the water will be forced upwards. And then eventually, the water will get into the vascular bundles in the leaf and then will be distributed to the cells by osmosis. This brings us to the end of our lesson on water uptake.